Everybody wants to look at automation these days.
Radcam is a serious company.
And where do you see your machines used in this industry?
Yeah, this is where we wanted to be and we wanted to go. The future is bright.
A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I've got a very interesting guest, Mr. Andrea Fontanini from Euromac. Hi, Andrea, and good to
Hello.
have you and meet you at Imtex 2024. So, can you tell me more about yourself? What does Euromac do?
Hello, everybody. I'm Andrea Fontanini and I'm Euromac Sales Area Manager. Euromac is a proud Italian worldwide company with a presence in more than 63 countries all around the world. Unfortunately, we know that we were a little bit late on Indian market, but now, thanks to our partner, which is Radcam Technology, we are really growing in a good way, in a really good way in Indian market with sales and after sales. Radcam is a serious company, and they have two offices now, one in Pune, one in Bangalore, and one in Pune, and with a future opening a new office in Delhi. They are 100% focused on our brand, Euromac brand, with a great sales teams and after sales team. So if your idea and if you want to purchase a really good quality Italian machine, you are in really good hands.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's good to have Mr. Siddhu Jolad, Managing Director and Business at Radcam Technology. It's good to meet you, sir. Future is technology, and your company name is Radcam Technologies. So, what sort of solutions you are displaying at Imtex, and what sort of activity you are doing at the trade show?
Oh, as Andrea rightly said, we are displaying this next generation punching machine, which is hybrid technology that we have displayed. We have hybrid as well as hydraulic, and we also have the electric models in this. Uh, and we have a notching machine and a bus bar bending machine that we have displayed. They're all like European standard, European technology. They are beautifully built machines for a lifetime. Okay, and yeah, this is where we wanted to be and we wanted to go. And next 10 years, I think Indian market will be doing fantastically well in terms of sheet metal business.
Before we get into discussion about the market, the industry, today is day three for Imtex. How is the last 2 days for you? How's the show for you till date?
It was very surprising to see that kind of footfall on the first day morning 10 a.m.
Okay.
This was really surprising. It never happened before. The quality of crowd as well as the amount of crowd was surprisingly good.
I can see over few years your design of the stall is changing. More number of machines are coming in. Radcam technology is growing. What sort of new machines you are keeping at the technology center? Because I know it's very close to the airport, and it's easy for a buyer who is visiting the trade show, if he has missed your booth, and to see, he can check out the machines at the technology center. So what sort of new addition you have done? Because I was there at your technology center a couple of years back. So can you tell us more about that center as well?
Yes, the whole idea of having a technology center near to the airport was to cater to all India crowd. And I've experienced this many a times. People are, oh, this happened today. There was a guy who wanted to check machines and he was interested in buying the machine, which is worth crores. But then suddenly he sees his phone and he wants to run to the airport and he cannot judge or misjudge the time taken to the airport, and that was the whole idea why we wanted to be very near to the airport for this Pune, Mumbai, Delhi kind of a crowd. We are located there. We have all these machines for display, for the demo, for the proofing. Please do come over. You can have a look and feel. Then you can book the machine.
People say only retailers take advantage of locations, and I can see that as a machine provider, technology provider, you are very close to the heart of your buyer, because in Bangalore, in the current traffic, I
Yes,
can say that Radcam Technology Center is one of the best location. So it's great, sir,
yes.
and look forward for our discussion. So, Siddhu, What are the sunrise sectors in sheet metal industry according to you?
Oh, the future is going to be more and more of whatever brings you health. Let's just say that it can be EV, it can be much more into clean room systems. It can be anything that will make you healthy. So for that, there will be a lot of innovations and a lot of sectors that will open up. Okay, partially you can also say there will be a lot of travel. So it can be aviation industry, it can be anything related to aeronautics. The future is bright.
And infrastructure and other industries are growing. And where do you see your machines used in this industry? Because we see everybody is bullish in India. So which sort of industries you are targeting for your machines at the moment?
Fortunately, I don't have to target only one particular industry.
Okay.
It is applicable in automobile, it is applicable in aeronautics, it is applicable in construction business, it is applicable even in FMCG goods. So, we are in a sweet spot where all of these segments will use a little bit of sheet metal in any corner of their product. Okay, so that way we are, like I said, we are in a sweet spot. Everywhere we can target for this kind of a machinery and technology.
So Andrea, you are looking at global sales. So according to you, what sort of trends you are looking at the global sales?
Let's say that now the bigger trends all around the world is automation. Everybody wants automation because with automation, for sure you can work 24/7, all the days, all night long, and automation doesn't need holidays, let's say. So, and also the precision of the robots is different. The repeatability of the robot is different. Robot can make like thousand pieces, always the same. Instead of a manpower, let's say after 5,000 pieces, maybe the head is outside and something is different, and there will be errors for sure. This is what automation will avoid in the near future. So let's say that globally we are facing a lot of inquiry, more and more and more on automation, and our production is focused on improve our automation business, improve our automation on the machines, and we are always looking for new features to put on the machine related the, to this system, let's say automation system.
And soon we are seeing skill power or manpower shortages globally. So what sort of trend you are looking at when we see automation in India?
Automation in India. Oh, let me say the crowd that I've seen and noticed in last 2.5 days, more than 70% of the inquiries were about automation. It can be about our bending cells, it can be about our punching cells with sorting and robotics. Everybody wants to look at automation these days.
And I will not take much of your time. It's a busy day for you, especially for you. 2024, we are in the first month of Jan. What sort of plan you have with the growth plan from your side for the Radcam technologies in Euromac in India?
I'm very sure we are going to grow in multifolds this year. Let's keep it at that. I don't want to jinx it with the number of multiplication, but yeah, that's where it will be.
And that
Anything you want to add?
No, I just want to add that we are in good hands, really good hands, and we know I saw in those days the work that they are done, the team, how is working the team, how is working Siddhu, how is keeping the team together. So we are really happy to be with Radcam. We are really happy that Radcam is our partner here, and we will see a bright future for sure.
So closing remark, I can say that Radcam and Euromac are in a happy marriage. Happy
We are
marriage.
Of
happily
course,
married.
exactly.
And ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Siddhu, thank you, Andrea.
Thank you too.
We wish you a successful great show and look forward for many more interactions in this show. Have a great day. Ciao.
Thank you, Vinay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.